Hello students, let's start today's topic, some application of trigonometry. Already you people have done chapter 8, introduction of trigonometry. Now in this chapter you have to go for the learning application of trigonometry. Students, trigonometry, the knowledge of the trigonometry used to construct map, determine the position of islands in the relation to latitude and longitudes. This is a very old concept. You have to use trigonometry for finding the height and distance of the various objects without actually measuring them. We can find height and distance between the object from the person or from the other object by using trigonometric concept. Now let's start. If a person is standing on the ground level, this A to E means there is a person. So this is the ground level. If a person height is AE, it means I is at A, and if the object, let us suppose there is a tower, and this person want to see the top of the tower, it means a person's eye contact with the top of the tower. C is the position of the top of the tower. So what is A to C line? This line is known as line of sight, because वो person इसको देख रहा है, तो it means this line is known as line of sight. But you have to create the horizontal level of the eye. Now this is the eye position. It means a person horizontal level. If a person looking straight, so this is a horizontal level of the eyes. So this line is known as horizontal level. When we see the object at the top from the height, top of the minor, this is the minor, and he want to see object C. It means this angle is known as angle of elevation. And here it's a 90 degree because this is a concept of trigonometry, and trigonometry is having always a 90 degree angle in a triangle that should be included in right angle triangle only. Now what's the meaning of angle of elevation? When angle of elevation formed, it means there is a line of sight. Line of sight is line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. So that line is known as line of sight. And angle of elevation in between the line of sight and horizontal level of the eye, in between which angle is formed, that angle is known as angle of elevation. Now let's start the next, angle of depression. Consider the situation, a girl is sitting in the balcony and she is looking down. So this one is a balcony. A girl is sitting here. It means if girl is sitting here, the horizontal level of the eye is this one. This one is the girl is sitting here. It means this is horizontal level. And she is observing and looking down. There is a pot and girl looking down. It means now if the girl is looking down, so this line is known as line of sight because she is observing this. Now see, again in between horizontal and line of sight, one angle formed. Again I am repeating, angle between the horizontal line and line of sight. But the girl is observing down. This angle is known as angle of depression. Now here when we join these two, so one angle is formed here, that is 90 degree. So we can find the value of any of the side with the help of one angle and one side. If we know any one side of this triangle, with this angle we can find the other sides. And you can also say, when we join the ground level, this is a ground level. So whatever angle is formed here, the same angle is formed at this point. Why it is so? Because these two lines, horizontal line and the ground level, both are parallel. Whenever there are two parallel lines and there is a transversal, angle formed by parallel and transversal, these two are which kind of angle? These two are alternative anterior angles. So these two angles are always equal because these two are alternative anterior angle. So angle of depression and angle of elevation is always lie between line of sight and horizontal level. When a person staring upward, so that is angle of elevation. But when a person staring downwards, that is angle of depression. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and press on the bell icon so you are able to get my videos notification. Now in next video we are going to start application based question on this topic. Thanks a lot.